Hey everybody. It's okay. We're all done here. They were dry and there was like no sign of rain whatsoever, and it rained for like 5 minutes. So I covered them up with this black thing. And they were fine. Like when I touched them to pick them up, no paint got off, so I mean the water's not, a few drops isn't going to do anything. So yeah, look at them. They're still warm from the sun. This one's got a little dirt on it. See, still a little bit of water just from the rain, but they're looking good. They're just so warm still, you know. But yeah, let's take a look at see, these ones look nice and crisp. See, I kind of missed that side, but it's okay. It's good enough for me. I'm just learning how to do this. I got another batch to practice on, so it just looks nice and crisp. See the big boy, and then we'll check out the Mercy 25-pounder. Yeah, they just look much better than rusted, huh? Ugh. This is like a no-name brand. Yeah, it's pretty crispy, pretty good weight. Sorry, the sun's kind of making the shot weird. Yeah, roll it around. Now it's got some scrapes and stuff from just sitting on the wood, me moving them a little bit. Or is that just some dirt? I think that's just some dirt from the wood, from me flipping it over. Alright, and here's the Mercy. Nice name brand. Yeah, see, that's just dirt. I can wipe right off. But it's not a problem, you know? Oh, it's nice. Well, they're all rusted, so now these are all usable, fresh paint. It's gonna look nice. The next restoration thing, I'm gonna do the bars. I have 3 bars. I'm gonna do those, and yeah, pretty sure I'm gonna try to sell them as a set, unless I think I can maybe sell these 50-pounders by themselves, like 2 50-pounders. Thinking about doing that. Alright, let's check on the brew we got going. It's probably been about 20 hours. Someone just subscribed to my channel while I'm making this video, huh? So yeah, a little more has come off. A caterpillar fell in. R.I.P. That's sad. Yeah. These ones weren't that rusted. Take a look at these ones. Yeah, see, it's starting to really bubble now. See that bubbling action. And yeah, they'll start forming those donuts. Like, be a big donut here, a big donut here, like the same shape of the weight. It's weird. But yep, this is almost 24 hours. And yeah, I'm gonna just bring these bad boys inside with my beautiful wagon. Maybe not, because it's a little dirty because of the rain, but it's beautiful. Yeah, these look great, huh? Look at that. Okay, I'll update you next video.